Nice shot by Kane.
What a clothesline by Kane. Oh, what a shot. Wow, that might have broken his jaw. Kane setting it up. He's left the ring. This could get interesting.
And those are some nice blocks there. Wow, an expert reversal there by the Big Red Machine, Kane.
Oh, man, that knee looked painful.
And he strikes with a quick kick. And another kick. Shoulder block. There needs to be a trial by jury after a move like that. Oh, no. The Big Red Machine looking to end a tremendous move by Kane. Now that's just rude.
Oh, he's on the move again. Oh, no! Kane, no! And there's the choke slam!
They re-enter the ring now.
Hey, he's going for it again!
Oh, the Big Red Monster. Destructive.
Oh, boy! He's got